Kevin from IPC Eagle. Today we're going to talk about our newest 20-inch auto scrubber, the CT50. Let's take a look inside and see how this machine operates. Inside you're going to have two 12-volt batteries. That's going to give you more than 2.5 hours of runtime, or clean 40,000 square feet on a single charge. The batteries sit inside of a 10-gallon tank, and the green tank is your recovery tank, which is 13 gallons. This unit comes with a 20-inch pad driver and brush. Right here I have the 20-inch brush. Let me show you how simple it is to put this brush on the unit. Okay, so now that the brush is on, all we have to do is put cleaning solution and water into the unit, drop our squeegee, turn on our water valve, lift our bail, and start cleaning. Okay, that's our CT50 20-inch automatic scrubber. It can be used in education, healthcare, industrial, and much more. For a demonstration, please contact us at our website below. Thanks for watching.